Look, I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're out there cheering NVIDIA's AI PC revolution like it's the second coming of sliced bread, you might want to sit down and actually look at what's happening, because this is an innovation. This is consolidation, control, forced obsolescence, dressed up in a neon green marketing. All right, NVIDIA didn't walk on stage at GTC and announce the future. They walked on the stage and announced the end of the current PC. Not because it's slow, not because it's broken, but because it doesn't have their shiny new Spark chip or NPU, their ARM architecture, their AI stack. This is the same playbook we saw with smartphones. Raise the baseline, lock out the older hardware, force a refresh cycle, profit. Except now, it's happening on every desktop and laptop on Earth. And ARM? Oh boy, ARM is the real move here. People think NVIDIA is embracing efficiency. No, they're embracing control. ARM lets them control the silicon, control the firmware, control the drivers, control the AI stack, control the ecosystem. It's the Apple model for the entire PC industry. And the cheerleaders don't see it. They're too busy clapping at the keynotes like it's a Comic-Con. Agentic AI is not your friend. It's your new landlord. Everyone hyped about AI gents that do things for you. Cool. But ask yourself, who do they report to? Because it sure the hell isn't you. Agentic AI is always on, always connected, always learning, always thinking, always phoning home. You're not getting a personal assistant. You're getting a digital supervisor. And people are cheering this on like it's a feature. Meanwhile, e-waste bomb is ticking. Windows 11 already killed millions of perfectly good machines. Now NVIDIA wants to kill the rest. TPM wasn't enough. Secure boot wasn't enough. And now you need an NPU, a Spark class GPU, ARM-based architecture, and new motherboard, new power profile. Also, your PC can run a chatbot locally. And the cheerleaders, they're too busy drooling over benchmarks to notice the landfill growing behind them. Here's the kicker. OEMs are already preparing for the escape hatch. They're not stupid. They see the writing on the wall. They know Windows licensing is expensive. AI PCs raise the BOM cost. Consumers won't pay $2,000 for a laptop. Refurbishers are dying. Schools can't afford to upgrade the upgrade cycle. So what's the move? Linux. Not because they love it, but because it's the only way to keep selling hardware without Microsoft's AI tax. And when OEMs start offering $499 Windows AI PCs and $349 Linux versions, the message becomes crystal clear. So, to the people cheering this on, wake up. You're not celebrating innovation. You're celebrating the end of a general purpose computing. You're celebrating the death of user control. You're celebrating a future where PC is a subscription appliance. You're celebrating a world where NVIDIA, Microsoft, and ARM decide what computing means, and you just rent the access to it. This isn't the future of PC. This is the end of PCs. And the only real counter move, the only actual sovereign play, is the one nobody in the hyped crowd wants to talk about. Linux. Local. Open. User-controlled. No AI tax. No forced obsolescence. No smart chip required. The next wave is coming, and it won't be because people love Linux. It'll be because Linux is the last refuge from a hardware ecosystem that decided users don't matter anymore. That's my rant. Have a good morning. We'll see you again. Like, follow, and subscribe.